Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project you can make from an old iron. Disconnect the wires. We only need the heating element with the sole plate. Unscrew the screw and remove the plate that holds the heating element. Also disconnect the wires from the heating element itself. Now you need to screw a metal plate to the sole plate, for which I have already drilled holes for the screws in advance. Once the plate is attached to the iron's sole plate, screw in 3 long screws to act as legs for the homemade device. After that, you need to drill a through hole with an 8mm drill bit roughly in the center of the plate and sole plate. Now, handles need to be made on the edges of the metal strip. For this, I used thin pieces of wood, and I made the rivets from a 6mm copper tube. The tube flattens very well and the handles will hold securely. Here's what I got. Next, insert an M8 bolt in the center and attach a metal can to the sole from the other side. Be sure to put a washer under the can so it doesn't bend when you tighten the nut. Tighten everything with a wrench, then connect the wires to the heating element. I used wires with insulation that doesn't burn. The wires are still Soviet made. I don't know the exact name, but if any of you know, you can write it in the comments. For extra protection, so nothing melts, I added a fiberglass tube and secured everything with Captain tape, which also doesn't burn. Well, the do-it-yourself project is finished. Now take a look at what it is and what it's for. I climbed onto the slate roof to do a bit of repair work, took this do-it-yourself device with me and plugged it into an extension cord. We place resin pieces in the jar and wait for the heating element to warm up and melt them. After a few minutes, the resin almost starts to boil. We mix it well so everything melts and there are no lumps. After that, we grab the handles and pour the resin onto the spot where the slate was damaged. As you can see, did it work out? A device for roof repair that allows you to easily melt resin. The homemade device works great and it's quite suitable for small repairs. Once you make it, you won't have to buy gas canisters anymore to melt resin. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.